How to fix YouTube channel not showing on iPhone. Is your YouTube channel not appearing in the app or when searched? Let's bring it back. Sometimes a quick logout and login refreshes channel visibility. Visit YouTube Studio in Safari and go to Settings. Then go to Channel, go to Advanced Settings and ensure that your channel is not set to private. Only public channel shows on YouTube. Clear cache data by uploading or reinstalling the app. It often fixes display glitches. And there it is. Your channel should now be visible again. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.